Did you know your brain is constantly eating itself? Through a process called phagocytosis, specialized cells known as phagocytes engulf and digest cellular debris and dead cells. Far from being harmful, this process is essential for maintaining brain health. This might sound like science fiction, but it's a vital part of keeping your brain healthy. So, how does this cellular feast work? Imagine the brain as a bustling metropolis, with microglia serving as the diligent janitors. These specialized cells are the brain's primary phagocytes, constantly on the lookout for waste to remove. Microglia patrol the neural pathways, identifying and engulfing dead neurons, fragments of broken cells, and other debris. This process, akin to a city worker clearing the streets, is essential for maintaining the brain's health. By removing these potential sources of trouble, microglia help prevent diseases that can clog the brain's intricate workings, much like how clean streets prevent urban decay. Without these tiny cleaners, our brains could not function optimally. Why is it good that your brain is eating itself? Well, this fascinating process called phagocytosis is not just about destruction. It's crucial for brain development, honing your thinking and learning capabilities by removing old or damaged cells and making way for the new. This self-cleansing mechanism also wards off brain diseases by eliminating debris that could be harmful. Moreover, ongoing research suggests that enhancing phagocytosis could be a breakthrough in treating conditions like Alzheimer's, offering new hope in neurodegenerative disease management. Thus, phagocytosis is not just a process, it's a preservation strategy for your brain. To sum it up, phagocytosis is a fascinating and essential brain function. This self-eating mechanism isn't a sign of trouble, but rather a vital process that helps maintain the health and functionality of your gray matter. By enveloping and disposing of old or damaged cells, phagocytosis prevents the buildup of harmful debris, thus playing a crucial role in disease prevention and overall brain wellness. It's a brilliant example of how our bodies are designed to sustain and repair themselves. So the next time you think about your brain, remember, it's hard at work not just thinking, but also cleaning up after itself to keep you sharp and healthy.